Searching for that ideal combination of power, control, and flexibility? In today's video, we'll be walking you through the 8 best .410 shotguns that you can purchase in 2025. If you are a seasoned shooter looking for a reliable .410 shotgun that can deliver when it comes to hunting sport shooting and/or home protection missions, then today's video was designed with you in mind. Number 8. Lever Action 410. The Henry Repeating Arms. Lever Action .410 is a work of craftsmanship that combines traditional styling with modern usability. Famous for their attention to quality, the .410 from Henry comes equipped with a side loading gate for convenient top-off loading and functional iron sights that greatly improve usability and looks. The steel barrel and frame are colored with a beautiful bluish tint, giving off a timeless, vintage appearance combined with the effortless working mechanism of a lever gun. Based on the same rugged design platform utilized in the popular lever guns from Henry, their shotgun is built to withstand a lifetime of abuse. Featuring a 20 or 24-inch barrel design, it comes complete with a walnut stock, recoil pad, and a 5-shot tube magazine. Though it's quite pricey and supports only 2.5-inch cartridges, it's still a great option for small game hunting, turkeys, and young professionals. Number 7. Mossberg 510 Mini. The Mossberg 510 Mini Super Bantam is a great starter shotgun that's designed to develop along with the young shooter. Extremely reliable and popular among gun owners, it comes with a shorter grip, which allows effortless trigger access, although working the pump may require a little getting used to. Weighing very light and sporting a recoil that's weak, it's a delight to use for novices, petite shooters, or anyone who finds it a burden to carry a gun along during hunting excursions. Whether it's blued wood, synthetic, or camel models you prefer, rest assured it's versatile and hunting quality, including turkey hunting. The 18.5-inch vent rib barrel ensures effortless handling and maneuvers, including a 2+1 round capacity that further cuts down on weight. However, the most crucial aspect is that it can be adjusted to fit the growing shooter via included length of pull spacers. Weighing a mere 5 pounds and measuring 34.75 inches overall, it's a piece of cake to handle. Number 6. Remington 870 Turkey TSS. The Remington 870 TSS is specifically designed for turkey hunting. This shotgun is known for its legendary reliability. Its pumping mechanism uses dual action bars in order to ensure that it does not bind or twist. This shotgun is equipped with a milled receiver and features an extended full choke. This ensures that it produces tight patterns. Its vent rib barrel is 25 inches long and is treated with Realtree camouflage. This feature protects it from being seen in its surroundings. Remington 870 TSS also has a rail system that allows it to be equipped with scopes or sights easily. Although pumping actions may not be very suitable for hunting at times, Remington 870 TSS is still an excellent choice for hunting turkeys. This is because it can provide hunters with the required challenge despite its reliability. Number 5. Browning Satori. The Browning Satori is a well-respected line of Japanese-manufactured over and under double-barreled shotguns considered the world over for its reliability, balance, and craftsmanship. At its heart is a rugged action with a full-width hinge pin and a transverse-mounted, tapered locking bolt that wears in, not out, making it tight in lockup, providing a long service life. Most have high-grade American walnut stocks, polished blued barrels, and steel receivers with sleek engraving and durable finishes such as silver nitride. Inflex Technology recoil pad has been incorporated into many of today's Satoris, offering significant reduction in felt recoil and improving field shooting comfort. Their versatility extends with either the Invecta Plus or Invecta DS choke systems, enabling the ideal balance of improved pattern density. Depending on the model, shooter choice includes inertia or mechanical triggers, thereby fitting the Satori's utility for hunting, sport shooting, and competition. Number 4. Mossberg SA.410 Turkey. The Mossberg SA.410 Turkey is a ready-to-hunt shotgun designed to satisfy everything a dedicated turkey hunter need. It's lightweight, easy to swing, and quickly acquires targets in the field. From its gas-operated, semi-automatic action to its fiber optic and ghost ring sights, aiming fast and sure comes naturally. The 26-inch vent rib barrel has a fully extended turkey choke with a 3-inch chamber for tight patterns that get the job done. The bottomland camo finish covers the stock, barrel, and receiver for total concealment. The 4+1 capacity Mossberg SA .410 Turkey offers a rare combination of maneuverability, reliability, and performance in a .410 semi-automatic, a virtually perfect choice for efficiency and accuracy in the field. Number 3. Browning BPS Field. The Browning Satori .410 over-under shotgun is a top-of-the-line gun that provides outstanding performance and looks for those who hunt. It has a reputation for Browning's legendary quality and comes with a 26-inch barrel, outstanding bluing, and detailed receiver engraving. The pistol grip provides outstanding handling, and the smooth trigger provides optimal precision for a small game and bird hunt. With 3 Invector choke tubes, the gun provides optimal variety for patterns, and the recoil pad provides a substantial reduction in rear kick for optimal handling and comfort. The top-of-the-line extractors provide optimal ejection of the shell, and the functional design and balance of the gun also provide top-of-the-line performance and optimal looks. Though expensive, it is an investment for those who want top performance. Number 2. Stevens 301 Singleshot. The Stevens 301 Singleshot is a very capable and effortless shotgun to begin with, recommended particularly when hunting turkeys with heavyweight TSS shots. The single-shot break-action mechanism of this gun has a very high accuracy rate with ease of operation in mind. Moreover, this mechanism can improve the accuracy of new shooters significantly because shooters understand that they can use their shots only once. The 26-inch barrel with the extra full choke offers excellent patterns in terms of accuracy, and the 3-inch chamber can easily fire magnum shots in turkey hunting. Furthermore, a pre-attacked removable rail enables shooters to place a red dot on the gun. Despite a few issues mentioned above, this reliable Stevens 301 single-shot shotgun can be acquired in a reasonable market price of about $200. Number 1. Mossberg 500. The Mossberg 500 can best be characterized by the term working man's shotgun. It's a no-frills workhorse that gets the job done without resorting to a lot of bells and whistles. As a pump-action shotgun, the Mossberg 500 is famous for its unbeatable reliability and ruggedness. The .410 bore variant sports a 5+1 round capacity and a no-frills design that lets the user pump rounds at a rapid pace. The right and left-handed friendly top-mounted safety feature further gives shooters more flexibility. Although there are no fancy optics available for this shotgun, the Mossberg 500 more than makes up for it in terms of features that actually deliver results. Weighing in at 6.25 pounds, it's light enough for portability, without resorting to the feel of a genuine toy. Its 24-inch vent ribbed barrel features 2.5 and 3-inch chambers to accommodate any type of hunting round right away with a fixed full choke. And that is all for today. Top 8.410 shotguns to purchase in 2025. If you're a beginner shooter or a seasoned hunter looking for the finest quality, rest assured that all of these shotguns can deliver. Don't forget to take into account your own requirements and budget before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos will come.